In this video, I will show you how to calibrate a pressure gauge using a hand-operated hydraulic pump and comparator. You will learn the step-by-step procedure for setting up the equipment, applying pressure and checking for zero error and linearity at 25, 50, 75, and 100% of the gauge range. I will also explain how to record the readings, calculate the error, and determine if the gauge passes or fails. Calibration is important because it ensures accuracy, maintains safety, meets regulatory requirements, and prevents equipment failure caused by incorrect pressure readings. This method is commonly used on ships and in workshops when a deadweight tester is not available. Always follow your company safety management system and the manufacturer's instructions when performing calibration. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.